الان نرخ امسال بعد ده سال گذشته یکم ارزانتر خوبه.
خب
شوربا هم ارزانتر، زغال هم ارزان، کل چیز فراوانه.
آره بخاری جور میکنم، مقصد اون تو مالی نداریم که ما زیاد این پیسه نداریم که زیاد جور کنیم، یک دانه جور
Salam everyone, this is me Muradi and welcome to my channel. Kabul, Afghanistan is a city of stunning beauty, but its winters are no joke. Temperatures can drop to well below freezing, and for many families, staying warm is a serious daily challenge. So today we are looking at how people in Kabul survive the harsh cold, the fuels they use, and two of the most common types of heaters you can find here in Kabul. So guys, I'm here in one of the fuel yards, and in every street at least you can find one fuel yard where you can purchase firewood, coal for your heaters. So depending on what type of Bukhari or heater you got, there are different sizes of firewood and coal available in these fuel yards. Mainly there are two main types of heaters available in Afghanistan overall. One is locally made by the local people, made of steel, and the other one made in Turkey. So normally here in Afghanistan people call it Turkish Bukharis.
امسال بعد ده سال گذشته یکم ارزانتر خوبه.
خب
شوربا هم ارزانتر، زغال هم ارزان، کل چیز فراوانه.
خب
قدرت خرید معلوم خیلی ضعیفه.
مردم آمادگی را آغاز کرده یا نه؟
مردم به شما میگه که مجبور است. یخ نگه گوشت کاسه پیرمرد هست.
خیلی خوب. The one made locally, that's accessible, that's cheaper, affordable for the middle and lower class families.
مالی نداریم که ما زیاد این پیسه نداریم که زیاد جور کنیم، یک دانه جور سه چهار دانه بخوری بگیم دیگه میکنیم.
And the other main type of heater is the Turkish one, Turkish Bukhari, and that's expensive. Lower class families cannot afford it because it's imported from Turkey, and it is expensive. When it comes to storage, every house in Kabul has to have storage for firewood. So guys, we are here in one of the Turkish Bukharis or heaters dealer, just to show you a glance of how these Turkish Bukharis look and how many shapes or different types are these Turkish Bukharis available. For many people, winter is time of their seasonal job where they can earn their livelihood by repairing or by making, selling Bukharis. For middle and low class families, the locally made Bukharis, they are also sold in parts, like when a part of their Bukhari is broken, it can easily be found in the market. Besides the heating purpose of these Bukharis, these are also used for cooking and boiling water for families. So guys, do let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Have a nice time.